A police officer died. Are there also missing police officers?
My apologies, Mr. Chair. I'm not in possession of knowledge.
O paki-ano lang po, paki-submit. Para at least, once and for all, ang sinasabi ng victims, also, part of the collateral damage, doon sa PNP, para at least malinaw din natin, di ba? Kasi, pwede rin part of the cleansing process, but of course, that is extrajudicial din. Kung totoo, na indeed, na may mga cold cases, Mr. Chairman, police din yan sila eh. Though, of course, they're being suspected by their superiors na involved doon sa droga. Alam mo naman ang drugs, napaka-complicated. So, hindi mo rin alam. Diba? To silence anyone or anybody. Pwede din ganun. So, pakisubmit na lang po. Pati yung mga circumstances with regards to all those cases. Pati yung period of those incidents. No? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. That's all.
Mr. Chair, ilang follow-up lang na mga questions. Kasi na-mention kanina ni Attorney Gilbert na dun sa case na meron nga nalaban di umano, sinasabi po ni Colonel Patay ay legitimate police operation. Pero naglabas ng desisyon yung korte, tama po ba? Na hindi naman talaga nanlaban. No?
Tama, Your Honor.
Yes. So, Mr. Chair, from this hearing kasi, pinapanindigan pa rin ni Colonel Patay na legitimate yon kahit may korte nang nagsasabi ng ganon. Kaya Mr. Chair, this actually puts the burden on him dahil siya yung merong command responsibility dun sa unit na nag-conduct ng ganong police operation. Gusto po nating malaman, Mr. Chair, na yung police operation po ba yun ay merong clearance? For the record lang, may clearance po ba yun mula kay Colonel Patay bago kinonduct yung operation na yun?
Your Honor, we made a prior coordination and I know the operation, Your Honor. With regards to the decision of the court, I have not read the decision.
Yung tanong lang po natin, Mr. Chair, ay kung may clearance ba yun?
Yes,
Kasi
Your
kailangan
Honor.
may clearance.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tapos, Mr. Chair, yung mga PNP personnel po ba na yun ay member ng anti-illegal drugs group?
Saan nanggaling yung clearance, Colonel Patay?
The operation, Your Honor, was conducted in coordination with the PDEA before we can conduct.
Sino nga nagbigay na clearance? Is it the director of the Southern Police?
There will be a pre-operation report, a pre-coordination and also there will be a coordination to be made to our district headquarters, Your Honor.
So, sino po in particular, Mr. Chair, yung nag-issue ng ganong clearance? I'm asking, Mr. Chair, si Colonel Patay, sino po yung nag-issue ng clearance?
Clearance to conduct operation, Your Honor.
Oh,
After we have the coordination with the PDEA, we will conduct the operation, Your Honor.
Yung tanong, Mr. Chair, sino? Sino po yung nag-issue ng clearance to conduct that particular operation?
It is me, Your Honor.
Yun. Tapos, Mr. Chair, yung mga PNP personnel...
Wala kang higher up na nag-issue ng clearance. For example, like the police director of the Southern Police District, which you are under,
There will be a coordination
or the
to be made.
NCRPO. So, sino po yung higher up na nagbigay ng clearance? You're not the only one who will give clearance. You have to ask it in the higher up. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't think that you could be able to act independently, Colonel Patay, to conduct operations. You have to have clearance from the higher ups, perhaps the police director of Southern Police District or the NCRPO. We'd like to find out who.
I would like to review the right term of the coordination form on our to our district, Your Honor, before. Because as I can remember, we have that kind of coordination aside from coordination to the PDPDI, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Chair, in relation dyan, dahil sabi sa CMC 16, series of 2016, nasa page 17 out of 18, the pre-operations clearance form for planned operations must be accomplished, submitted to, and approved by the unit commander or his designated action officer prior to the conduct of anti-illegal drug operations. End of quote.